Hey everyone, just getting to it here, so yeah. Um so yeah. I will be getting everything like I said I would, like a John Deere. Um and I will be mowing today. Not mowing today, I will be mowing. I will be making a video is what I'm trying to say of mowing. I will be making a video of how to mow and everything. Like in my last video. So yeah, I guess I don't know. Um, um, I guess today I'll be just hanging out, listening to music, I guess. Just my music CDs I listen to on the stereo and everything. So, yeah, I'll be listening to music today, I guess. And that's what I'll be doing today, just letting you guys know what I'm gonna be doing today. Or I'm probably gonna be looking at some stuff, like John Deere ended up getting a plow truck. So I'm still gonna do the things like I said I would, but today I'm just gonna be listening to music, gonna be laying back today. So today I'm just gonna listen to music. Alright. And I'll probably talk to you guys next time, and I'm still gonna do the things like I said about getting a John Deere and a plow truck. Alright, and I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? I will slowly be getting a John Deere and a plow truck and make videos on those, you know, of how to do it and everything. So, yeah, but today I'm gonna listen to music and I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? Alright? See you.